The Northair Compact Chest Freezer 3.5 cubic foot freestanding top door freezer. Offering a capacity of 3.5 cubic feet, the Northair Compact Chest Freezer is nothing short of remarkable. This unit is a freestanding top door freezer, meaning that it opens from the top, unlike the freezer we just looked at. This freezer is much like your standard chest freezer, however it's built smaller and with the ability to operate in small spaces. As perhaps the best chest freezer, this unit stands at 21.18 inches in length, 21.77 inches in width, and 31.94 inches in height. With such height and capacity, you'll be able to store a good amount of food and drink items within the freezer. It also comes with a basket made from pure copper wire. The basket is able to slide from side to side, allowing you to access the items below it. However, similar to other chest freezers, small items may get lost at the bottom. Try to utilize the basket as much as possible, and also intentionally pack this chest with bigger items at the bottom. At the top of the freezer, you will find a quiet opening freezer door with balanced hinges. The door is able to be opened from 45 to 90-degree angles. It also offers hands-free use. Within the freezer, you will find excellent storage space and an easy-to-clean interior. At the base of the freezer, you'll find a bottom drain that works well when it comes time to defrost. Added to this, the unit provides noise-free service, being that it's made with a whisper-quiet compressor. Now for some pros. Offers excellent storage capacity, noise-free, and fits in small spaces. How about a con? Small items may get lost at the bottom of the chest.